just for you.
Come on, little climber. I saved this for you.
Hey, little one.
Don't worry.
It's okay.
I brought you something tasty.
Come have a bite.
The videos you just watched are going viral right now on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts, racking up millions of views. People are watching them on repeat, sharing them like crazy. And here's the thing. The creators behind them are making these with completely free AI tools. No expensive software, no design skills, no experience needed whatsoever. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these viral animal videos yourself, step by step, 100% free. Everything I'm about to show you, you can start doing right now. The very first thing you want to do is head down to the description box and click on the Telegram link you'll find there. Go ahead and open it up. You will get access to a document. Inside that document, you're going to find what I call the master prompt. And this is really the foundation of everything we're doing today. This single prompt is what's going to do all the heavy lifting for you, so make sure you copy the entire thing. Don't just copy part of it, select everything and copy it all. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and open up ChatGPT. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, it's completely free to sign up and it only takes a minute. Once you're in, paste that master prompt directly into the chat and hit enter. Now here's where the magic happens. ChatGPT is going to take that prompt and generate multiple unique animal video prompts for you, all ready to use. Each one is crafted specifically to help you create the kind of eye-catching, scroll-stopping animal videos that are going viral all over social media right now. You don't have to come up with any ideas yourself. You don't have to sit there staring at a blank screen. ChatGPT handles all of that for you automatically. Now that ChatGPT has generated all your animal video prompts, it's time for the fun part, actually bringing them to life. To create the videos, you have two completely free tools you can choose from, Grok AI or Google Flow. Both of them are excellent options, and both won't cost you a single penny, so you really can't go wrong with either one. We'll be covering both tools in this tutorial, so you get the full picture. But let me start by walking you through Grok AI first, since it's incredibly simple and beginner-friendly. Now, copy the very first prompt that ChatGPT generated for you. Now, open up your browser and head over to Grok AI. Once you're on the platform, you're going to notice an option that says Imagine. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Grok AI's image and video generation lives, and it's honestly one of the most powerful free tools available right now. Once you're inside, paste your prompt into the text box. Now, before you hit generate, there are two important settings you want to make sure you select. First, switch the output type to video, because by default it may be set to image, and we obviously want a video. Second, change the aspect ratio to portrait. This is the vertical format, and it's absolutely essential if you're creating content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, since all of those platforms are designed for vertical viewing. Once you've got both of those settings selected, go ahead and hit the generate button. Now just give it a few seconds to work its magic, and just like that, your video is ready. Let's go ahead and take a look at the preview right now.
Come have a bite. Hey, little one. It's okay. Come have a bite. Hey, little one. It's okay. Come have a bite. Hey, little one. It's okay. Come have a bite.
And just look at that. Isn't that absolutely incredible? The level of detail, the realism, the movement. It's honestly hard to believe that this was generated completely free using just a text prompt. This is the kind of content that stops people mid-scroll and gets them to watch over and over again. Now go ahead and click the download button to save that video to your device. Once it's downloaded, let's not stop there. We're going to generate another one so you can see just how consistent and reliable Grok AI is. Head back over to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt from the list. Then come back to Grok AI, paste it into the text box just like before, and hit generate. Remember, you don't need to change any settings since we already have everything set up correctly from the last time. Just paste and generate. Let's take a look at this one.
Don't worry, I brought you something tasty. Don't worry, I brought you something tasty.
And there it is again, another stunning video just like that. Download that one as well and keep it safe because we're going to be uploading all of these shortly.
Now let me show you how to use Google Flow as well, because honestly, you're going to want to see this. Go back to ChatGPT one more time and copy another prompt from your list. Now open up Google Flow and paste your prompt in. Before you generate though, there are a few settings you need to configure to get the best possible results. Click on Settings and first switch the output type to video. Then look for the option that says Frames to Video and make sure that is selected. Just like we did with Grok AI, set the aspect ratio
To portrait, so your video is formatted correctly for short-form social media platforms. And here's an important one. Make sure the model is set to VEO 3.1 Fast. This is Google's latest and most advanced video generation model, and it makes a massive difference in the quality of the output you're going to get. Once all of that is set, go ahead and click Generate. Let's preview this one together.
Here you go, tiny friend, just for you. Here you go, tiny friend, just for you.
Now, did you see that? That is on a completely different level. The quality, the smoothness, the incredible lifelike detail is almost unbelievable. Make sure you download this one as well. You do not want to lose it. Now that you have your videos downloaded, all that's left to do is start uploading them to your social media pages, whether that's TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The more you post, the better your chances of going viral, so don't sit on these. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really does help more people find this video. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest AI tools, tips, and tutorials, make sure you subscribe to AI Pipeline so you never miss a thing.